Hi everyone, I am Monisha from 2nd BCA. I am here to discuss few points about decision support systems in management information system. Here the introduction. Decision support system is an interactive system which is interacts with the managers and from high to low level individuals by giving useful information to make correct decisions. That is, decision support systems are interactive software based systems intended to help managers in decision making by accessing large volumes of information generated from various related information systems involved in organizational business processes such as office automation system, transaction processing system, etc. In decision making, the decisions are made by raw data documents, personal knowledge, and business models to identify, solve problems, and make decisions. A decision make support systems will not necessarily give a decision itself. If we need a help from decision makers, we should initiate them and we will get the decisions from them. There are two types of decisions. The first, programmed decisions, and the next is non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions. In generally, we know that programmed means structured, and here programmed decisions which will automatically process the thing and known as general routine work. Here, the decisions have been taken several times, and the decisions will follow some guidelines and rules. Non-programmed decisions. In general, we know non-programmed means unstructured. Here, non-programmed decisions occur in unusual and non-addressed situations. So, it would be a new decision. There will not be any rules to follow, and the decisions are made based on the available information, manager's description, and one's perception and judgment. Here are the some of the attributes of decision support systems. The first one is adaptability and flexibility. High level of interactivity means interaction, ease of use, efficiency and effectiveness, complete control by decision makers, ease of development, extendability, support for modeling and analysis, support for data access, standalone, integrated and web based. Characteristics of a decision support system. The first is support for decision makers in semi-structured and unstructured problems, that is programmed and non-programmed problems. Then support for managers at various managerial levels, like from top executive to a line managers. Then the main thing, it will support for both individuals and groups, because for less structured problems they can involve the several individuals from their several departments, so it's play a major role. And it support for intelligence to make decisions and design, choice and implementation. Benefits of decision support system. First one, it improves efficiency and speed of decision making activities. The next, facilitates interpersonal communication like interaction. The next, encourages for learning and training. Then it is mostly used in non-programmed decisions such as non-structured programs, and it reveals new approaches and setups new evidences for an unusual decision. And next, helps automate managerial process. Components of the decision support system. The components of the decision support system is divided into three categories. The first, database management system, DBMS, then model management system, system tools. Database management system, DBMS, in which we can solve the problem. The data may come from internal or external database. And the next one is model management system, in which the managers used to make decisions by storing and accessing the models. The last one is support tools. Support tools like online help scripts, pull down menus, user interfaces, graphical analysis, error correction and mechanism facilitates the user interaction with the system. Classification of decision support systems. There are two types. The first one is model driven decision support system, the next data driven decision support system. Model driven decision support system. Model driven decision support system is nothing but gives a perfect impact about the decisions, that is, which are complex system that help analyze decisions or choose between different options. The next, these are used by managers and staff members of a business or people who interact with the organization for a number of purposes depending on how the model is set up. The finally, model driven decision support system include computerized systems which has more models like accounting and financial models, representational models and optimizational models, and which each models perform specific tasks and gives us a perfect decisions. Data driven decision support system. It is nothing but decisions are made by the data which is stored in a database or data warehouse. We can ask a query from that to seek specific information or specific answers for specific purposes. And then most data driven are targeted at managers, staff and also product or service suppliers. Data driven decision making is the process of making organizational decisions based on actual data. What the data is stored in the database only we can use, rather than intuitions, the individual's intuitions or observation alone. Hope you all understand generally about what is decision support systems. Thank you.